If you want to turn off parental controls on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now as you can see, parental controls has been enabled on our tablet. Now to remove the parental controls, just go to your home screen and open settings. Under settings, just scroll down and tap on Google. Now from here, just tap on your Google account, then tap on manage your Google account. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on data and privacy. Now just scroll down to the end of the page and select delete your Google account. Now from here, just enter the password of your Gmail account. And after you enter the password of your Gmail account, just tap on next. Now just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now from here, just select both of these options. And after you do that, then tap on delete account. Now after you do that, you will delete your Google account. As you can see, if we open the Google Play Store, we are signed out of our Google account. Now to recover our Gmail account, just open the Google Play Store, then tap on sign in. Now from here, just sign into your email account, which we have deleted. And after you enter your Gmail account, then tap on next. Now as you can see, this account was deleted. Now just tap on next. Now just enter the password of your Gmail account. And after you enter the password of your Gmail account, then tap on next. Now just enter your password again. And after you enter the password again, then tap on next. Tap on I agree. Tap on more and tap on accept. And after you do that, you will sign in back into your Gmail account. But this time you will notice that you have removed all the parental controls from your Gmail account. As you can see, it is not asking for the consent of the parent to install this app, which means that we have successfully removed all the parental control settings from our tablet. And this is how you can turn off parental controls on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.